I don't know if this will come out because of the sun, but this mountain is covered with waterfalls. There's even one behind us.